In front of me is OnePlus 5T, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by launching one of your apps that you wish to use in this view on the top half of your screen. Then access your chosen app in the background and hold it. Now select split screen from the pop-up and tap on the second app from your background apps, or click on home button and click on any other one, like Chrome. As you can see, now I can use both at the same time. To go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and click on home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!